Hello guys, today I'm playing Animal Jam here. I'm sorry that okay. Oh my gosh, it's so good to play Animal Jam today. I decided it's the perfect day after school. It's like the perfect day. Like perfect day. Oh, okay, no. Boom, boom. Wait, what? Oh yeah, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Oh yeah, boom, uh, boom. Dang it. Okay, boom, boom. Yeah, let's go. Oh my gosh. Next level, level 2. No, level 4. Oh my gosh. Boom. Hiya. Boom. Perfect shot. Boom. Oh no. Oh no. Wait, there we go. I don't know what to go. Right there. Oh no. Yes. Boom. Oh no. Boom. Uh, Boom. Again. Boom. 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 Now let's go here. Boom. And then we destroyed the phantom. Boom. That's all that go on. There. There. Right there. Boom. 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 Oh, no. No. Boom. Oh, no. Right there. 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 Oh. Okay, let's continue from there. Boom. Boom. Yeah. Boom. Boom. Oh my gosh, why did I put in the wrong spot? Boom. Yeah. There. Boom. Cool. I don't know I did squishing. There. Yeah, perfect fit. There we go. Perfect angles. Boom. 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 Oh no. Boom. 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 Oh my gosh. No. So slow. Boom. Boom. And, I don't know. Boom. Okay. Boom. And boom. And boom. And boom. Oh my gosh. This is so, oh, next level. Level 5. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so fun. Like, viewers, it's like you're probably like playing this one mini game inside Animal Jam. It's just gonna be so fun. You're just gonna be like so hype. Hype. When my heart is pumping. Yeah, it is. Okay. Oh my gosh, I just didn't even move. Boom! 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 Oh no. Boom. 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 boom, boom, boom. Arms getting tired. Boom, boom. There we go. Perfect fit. Bow. No. Boom, boom. This is so good, viewers. Like, oh my gosh. Richard, I'm good. Could you guys please give me like 1,000,000,000 likes? This better have 1,000,000,000 likes. If it doesn't, it's okay. So, go over here. Boom! That perfect triangle, though. Yo. No. No, no, no. Okay, we gotta get that. We gotta get that. Boom! That thing was going 2 down. Like, I'm like, no, we gotta get that. Oh my gosh. Viewers, this is so crazy. Oh my gosh, viewers. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Right there. Boom. 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 Right there. Boom. Yeah. Let's go over here. Go over here. Oh yeah, next level. My arm is starting to get really tired, viewers. So I think... Oh wait. Okay, quit. I think it's the perfect time to leave this thing. Okay, guys. I think it's a... Okay. I think it's a... Oh my gosh. What is that frog doing? What is that frog doing? Freaky. So freaky. Okay, I think it's the perfect time to end this video right here. Right now. Right here. And the people who are in this video, they probably gonna be very happy. So, peace.